Since he was gay, he thought another gay person will get along great. Jerry posted ads and he found someone to rent the room.
His name is what?
National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the coastal areas of northern and central California, including the following counties: Sonoma, Marin, Napa, San Francisco, San Mateo, Punta Cana, Alameda, and Santa Clara. This is a result of an 8.9 magnitude earthquake near Honshu, Japan, that struck at 2:46 local time in the afternoon in Japan. If a tsunami wave is generated, it is expected to arrive in San Francisco at the mouth of San Francisco Bay at 8 a.m. this morning. The tsunami warning means that tsunami is imminent and coastal locations in the warned area should prepare for flooding. The National Weather Service is updating conditions hourly or as conditions warrant. This concludes the broadcast activation of the emergency alert system.